Buddy, I left you alone for 5 minutes so I can pick up Michael. How did you get here?
Oh, well, that's easy. I just followed the kids with the glowing earmuffs.
Buddy, this is Shawnee TV. It's being broadcasted to a whole school. We have to go.
But we can't. It says the first segment is an animation by John, and the kids with the earmuffs say we need to play it now. That was amazing. What are those glowing boxes with moving people called?
Televisions.
We don't have those in the North Pole. Can I watch more?
Buddy, we don't really have the time.
Please, I have snacks.
Fine.
Yes.
So this is a very interactive course where we have students going out and observing teachers throughout the school. It's very much hands-on. The kids are getting real-world experiences in this course, and I think that that's a little different than a lot of the other elective courses that we have.
I feel like I've gained leadership skills, public speaking skills, and talking in front of people and classes.
I've learned public speaking skills, stronger communication skills, and how to lead crowds better. It's made me want to be a teacher more, I think, because it's helped me learn those skills and also give me a better perspective on teaching.
Something that's really unique about this class is that you get to get real-world experience and take on a different lens. I knew that I wanted to be a teacher, but this helped solidify my decision before I go and spend a college tuition on it.
Everybody's moods and days are going to be different. They're going to look different. Everyone comes from different backgrounds. So just being able to understand that you need to be patient, you need to wait. It is a process. It's not going to happen overnight, but it is very rewarding. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint.
Buddy, what are you eating?
Well, right now I have candy canes, which is one of the 4 major food groups. There's also candy, candy corn, this is candy canes, and syrup.
Sounds yummy.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I did. Is that what I think it was?
Dad, it was Santa's sleigh. Santa's in trouble. Santa! Oh my gosh! Buddy's on the way.
Okay, play the next clip while we go investigate.
The first one went to Mr. Kendall. Mr. Kendall was super caring and fun, and we really appreciate it, so thank you.
The next Shawnee Shout Out goes to Miss Langowski. She's very inspiring, a great teacher, and really fun to have.
The next is Miss Lamo. They were saying thank you and for all you do as a teacher, and everyone appreciates you. Have a great winter break. We're going back to the host.
Okay, Shawnee, we need your help. Santa's sleigh crashed and will only fly if we believe. We need to believe, Shawnee, and the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.
Buddy, I'm not singing.
Oh, but Walter, you have to. If the Shawnee history teacher can, so can you.
You know the year 800 and Pope Leo III. Well, Pope Leo crowned Charlemagne the first Roman emperor. But do you recall any more historical events at all?
William the famous conqueror in 1066 was crowned the King of England after winning the Battle of Hastings.
In 1914, all the German soldiers played some games and sang. Made truces with the British. Just for a little while. What a Christmas day.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, General George Washington led an attack on Hessian forces in 1776, Trenton, New Jersey.
And how the soldiers loved him as they shouted out with glee. He boosted morale for the rise of the country.
Are the facts of history happen on Christmas Day? Moments that shaped our story in a surprising, lasting way. One last event for you. In 1990, the launch of the modern internet. The birth of the WWW.
World Wide Web.
In your web address.
And the event of the finale. A ginormous gathering. The first Christmas sighting in 336 AD.
First Christmas.
A vibrant celebration will go down in history.
Facts of history happening on Christmas Day. Moments that shaped our story in a surprising, lasting way. Happy holidays, Shawnee.
Okay, buddy, I'm still not singing.
Well, while you sit being a cotton-headed ninny muggins, all the Shawnee students will help Santa by singing. Ready, Shawnee? You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you.
Buddy, stop. The teleprompter thing says Santa's sleigh won't fly until the last clip airs.
It's starting to rise, but it won't fly until you believe. Better start singing.
Fine.
You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming.